Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I will show you how to create charts in Excel step by step. Charts are a great way to visually present your data so you can quickly understand patterns and trends. Let's get started. Before creating a chart, you need clean and organized data. For example, let's say we have this sales data. Make sure your data has clear column headers. Click and drag to select the data you want to visualize. In our case, select both the month and sales column. Go to the Insert tab on the ribbon. In the Charts group, you will see options like column, line, pie, bar and more. Let's choose a column chart to display monthly sales. Instantly Excel creates the chart and places it on your worksheet. Click on the chart and you will see the Chart Tools menu at the top. You can add a chart title. Type something like Monthly Sales Report. From the right side panel, you can change chart styles, colors and layouts. You can also add data labels to display the exact values on each column. You can click and drag the chart to position it anywhere on the sheet. Use the corners to resize it and make it fit nicely. And that's it. That's how you can easily create and customize charts in Excel step by step. Charts make your data much easier to understand and give it a professional look. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Excel tutorials. Thanks for watching.